Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Super Cute Dogs with me Olaus, and again I came with the product of Amazon, and let's get started the video. This is the product is saree. I ordered one saree in Amazon, so it came with this package. Again I did an unboxing before itself. They've given this saree in this plastic cover, and this is the saree, grey color. Before also I did one video, that saree also grey color only, but that one is grey color with the design like a pink and some colors saree. This is only plain saree. I like grey color, so I ordered again grey color. So this is the saree. Its saree length is 5.5 meter, and quality is I love this saree because of the quality. It's too good. I'll give a close look of the saree. See, like if you're wearing this saree, like it looks like a shiny. If you're going like any functions or any parties, it gives a wholesome look to you. Yeah, but you have to stitch your blouse in different way, like a designer blouse, because saree is very blind, so nothing is there. So you have to like focus on blouse. You have to stitch blouse in a proper way. So I think it's normal blouse. It's not good for the saree. You can go with a boat neck or sleeveless or collar neck. Like designer blouse is good for this saree. It gives a very rich look to you. And yeah, this is the blouse piece. It's a blouse piece. Lengthwise, okay, it's 1 meter blouse. I think for my size, yeah, full sleeves also, yeah, fine. But for full sleeves, this cloth is, I think it's not good, because cloth is not soft. This is Banarasi. See, some backside is thread here and there, threads is there. If you're wearing like a full blouse, won't feel comfort. That's where I think I will suggest you go for sleeveless or like normal sleeves. Yeah, this is a Banarasi blouse, and okay, quality, it's no doubt, it's really good. And special thing, attractive thing in this saree is this pallu. Pallu comes like this. They're given this pallu. This, it's really good. Yeah, this is about the saree. And come to this price. This actual price is 2,549. Yes, in offer we will get for 663. It's a super deal. Actually, it's a worth product. I will suggest you go and buy this product. No doubt in this. I really love this product. So yeah. And yeah, I received within 2 days only. So happily you can wear this saree for any birthdays or any movies or any reception. If you're wearing this plain saree with this design, you need to wear like concentrate on your earrings. I like earrings, so I will go like that only. My choice is like if I'm wearing a plain saree with a designer blouse, I will focus on my earrings. Yeah, that's it. And hairstyle, yeah, I will show. I already taken a picture of the saree. I will post that pics in this video last. So it's just my it's my style and my way of wearing this saree. If you like this, you can follow. And about this saree, that's it. And I will give this saree link in below description box. You go and check me back. And yeah, we'll see you in next video with interesting product. Bye. See you next time.